Hello everyone, it's a project in the field of computer-aided design performed by students Sofia Panchak and Marat Husnudinov. Research title is Implementation of Design and Animation of the Appearance of the Door Transformer in the Environment of Solidworks and Blender, and the Development of an Application for Computer-Aided Design by applying in the API code of the design system using the C# programming language. So in your screen you see now the main program code, and I'm going to explain you some important moments. In the beginning, the necessary libraries are wrote to be able to work with SolidWorks. Then the main form is loading, and here you can see some important code is wrote. It's coincident made feature data, concentric made feature data, and angle made feature data, which later are used to connect parts into assembly by the right way. In the beginning, we just load a first part of assembly into SolidWorks and locate it in a main window by this position. The same something going on with the second, third, and all the next assembly parts. And this part of code is responsible for relations between the parts of the assembly. So in the beginning we select by array necessary details and their parts, and use coincident made feature data and concentric made feature data and angle made feature data to put the right location and connection between the parts. So now let's start a program. It's appearing a form. Here we just have to push a special button, and here also we can see our final looking of the door. So let's push a button. Then in SolidWorks you can see how is building our assembly. It's built successfully. And I'm going to show you also animation of opening and closing the door. So here you can see actually the animation of the moving of the door. The design that we are proposing is an evolution door, which consists of 4 folding triangle designs. The reason for choosing this is that is the most applicable and suitable form of our safety of machine design. It has proved to be the most stable, cost and power efficient design from among the different types of door design. It's made of 4 triangle panels that open and close with only a light flip, and they are save much space with smooth movements. Each half is connected with a fixed joint for rotating, and also each of them are connected to each other in the middle by a ball or spherical joint. Also, for the visual presentation of the door, an interior was created in the Blender environment. Here you can see how is looking in an interior, and also it was created 3 high quality images of the interior with the different door positions, and they were rendered. Here you can see how it's looking the picture of the door when it's closed, the picture of the door in a semi-open state, and the picture of the door in the open position. So the task was completed successfully, and design and animation was created, and actually assembly of the assembly unit with the help of the application worked successfully, and also is important the beautiful modern presentation of the door model in the Blender environment. The creative interior solution of the door design itself was successfully combined with the stage. So that's all. Thank you all for attention.